Self-improvement doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that grows with consistency. Let's break down how to build a simple and powerful daily self-improvement routine. Step 1, start your day with purpose. Wake up at a fixed time every day. Avoid the snooze button. Spend the first 5 minutes in silence, deep breathing, or setting your intention for the day. This helps clear your mind and prepare for focused action. Step 2, move your body. Physical activity improves mood, energy, and focus. Do a 10 to 20 minute stretch, walk, or workout. It doesn't have to be intense, just consistent. Daily movement builds discipline and wakes up your brain. Step 3, feed your mind. Spend 15 to 30 minutes learning something new. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or take an online course. Choose topics that challenge you or develop your skills. This small daily effort leads to long-term growth. Step 4, set 3. Daily goals. Pick 3 tasks you want to complete today. Write them down. Focus on finishing these before moving to anything else. This builds focus and a sense of accomplishment. Step 5. Take a short break to reflect. Pause midday for 5 minutes. Ask yourself, am I being productive? Am I focused on what matters? This helps you reset your energy and correct your course if needed. Step 6. Practice gratitude in the evening. At the end of the day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be small or big. Gratitude helps you stay positive and recognize progress even on tough days. Step 7. Plan for tomorrow. Before sleeping, review your day. What worked? What didn't? Then plan your 3 goals for tomorrow. This gives you a head start and improves your focus the next day. Final thoughts. Self-improvement is not about doing everything at once. It's about doing small things every day. Start simple, stay consistent, and over time, you'll see big changes in your mindset, habits, and results.